Okay guys, I have a package from Amazon. So here is this and here is it. Okay, this Amazon. So everything here cost me the sum of 20k. Wow. So I'm going to be opening this one. So let's see what is inside. But before I open it, I would like to tell you guys what is inside this one. This one is what they call mic. Since I've been doing video, I don't use mic to do video. Now I decided to get one. Then I just ordered this one from Amazon. So let me open this one. Let's check. Okay. This is the place that we are going to open this one. Okay. This Amazon package. Wow, can't you see? I don't know whether you are seeing it. Let me just uh, open it very well. So I'm opening it. What you order versus what you get on Amazon. This is what I'm doing. you know let's check. Wow, two body mic. Can't you see? Amazing. So this two body mic, and here is the connector that I'm going to be connecting on my phone. So should in case you want to get your own, you can order it from Amazon. And I don't know about people living in Nigeria, but I'm living in UAE. So guys, here is my own package. I hope nothing will break. Okay, so this is it. Now I have a mic. Can't you see? Body mic for that matter. If I put it here, I will be making video. Yeah. So this one is by gun. So I'm going to be opening the second one right now. So guys, let's open the second one. This is the second package. As you can see here, you are going to be seeing my name, Iheka Gosui Chisum. Okay, so let me open this one right now. But before that, I would like to tell you that what I order here is ring light and stand. So to be making my video, wow, making a video, you need light and what they call stand, which you can use and hold your phone. That is what we are seeing here. So let's open it. The second, what you order versus what you get. Okay, let me open it. Wow, wow, wow. Let me open it. I always make video nighttime, so I need lights to be making my video. And not just that, if you are using phone to shoot your video, you need light to make it more sharp. Okay, so this light has different color. This is the light, and why this is the stand. Okay, let me open the light first. Hey, what's happening? Okay guys, as you can see, this is the light. Okay, let me open it very well so you guys can see. Wow, can't you see everything that is inside? So meanwhile, this is gonna be my second light. Everything here is complete, both the head and everything. Meanwhile, this one is just what I'm going to be using and holding my phone, right? Okay, then let's check the stand. Remember, this is ring light. So let's check the stand. How can I open this one? Okay, let me start from here. All this wrapping I just for a package from Amazon. These people are just frustrating people. This thing is too stressful to open. Okay, this is the stand. Let's check what is inside. Wow, amazing. Can't you see? Amazing, amazing. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, what you order versus what you get, and this is exactly what I order for. So I'm going to be shooting my video now with mic, and I have a new ring light, and not only that, stand. So meanwhile, everything cost me the sum of 20k. If you want to get your own, you can actually get. I don't know for Nigeria, but I live in UAE. Just I order online, then I pay everything, both delivering and everything cost me the sum of 20k. I don't know for Nigeria, so I live in United Arab Emirates. Thank you guys for watching. Better share this video now. Share this video. Support your guy also. Come on, come on, come on, come on.